ice cream factory. So come along with me.
College girls in my raps. Rockstar life, so much money, I'll make you laugh. Hey.
So we are here at Lantern Thai Kitchen. I mean, it's very nice and cozy. It's not that big, but there is dining outside, so you can sit outside and dine. But I don't know, I get a very nice, cozy kind of feeling. So I'll let you guys know how the food was, how the drink was, because you know my face says it all, okay? So I'll let you guys know. So we just ordered some calamari, which is really good. And this is called the Thai Sunrise. I'm about to try that. But the calamari is pretty good, so let's try that. Oh. 2 thumbs up. Really good. Made my night right here. So we are walking down Water Street. Let me get out here so the car can pass. That's my date. Hi, date. Say hi. Hi. So we're doing a little bit of exploring, like Dora the Explorer. So far, this has been really good. Okay, so that's the famous pizza spot there. Right over there. And we are actually walking right now to go get some ice cream at this ice cream spot right ahead here. It's called Brooklyn Ice Cream Factory. Hi guys, so we are here at the Brooklyn Ice Cream Factory. So I'll let you guys know how good it is. The line is very long, so you know it must be popping. And I'm about to try it out. Okay, let's see if Odessa's prediction is actually right. The scenery is very beautiful. This is the tour guide. A lot of greeneries. Hi guys. Okay, so we just finished an amazing night. We went to Lantern Thai restaurant. It's a very small and cozy restaurant, but the food was amazing. I must say the drinks was amazing too, so you definitely want to check that out. We did go to the Brooklyn Ice Cream Factory, which was really good too, so definitely check that out too. And we also went to the Brooklyn Bridge, and everything was just so amazing. That is something I'm definitely gonna do, like a bay night kind of thing. So definitely take your bay out there. It's definitely romantic, it's nice, definitely something to do. And I need you guys to hit the like button. What are you guys waiting for? Hit that like button, and then also I need you guys to subscribe. Those of you that have been watching my videos for like what, 2 months, and you still have not hit the subscribe button. What are you waiting for? Like, let's go. And if you don't have an account, you need to create an account so you can hit that subscribe button. That's what I'm saying, okay? The haters are showing love and you're not showing love. Something is definitely wrong there, okay? So make sure you do that, okay? So until next time, bye guys. Dumbo, Brooklyn.